Well, I mean, anytime you can have direct communication with somebody that, without having to go through a whole bunch of different channels to accomplish that, it's always going to be beneficial. But it's made a huge difference on the amount of incoming calls that I get because, you know, a long time ago in a land far, far away, people wanted to talk to you on the telephone, but they really don't want to talk to you on the phone anymore.
Yeah.
They just want you to shoot them a text and let them know, or they want to be able to go on the app and pull it up. And then the way the stages are set out there, it's easy. Everybody can take a look at it, and know exactly where they're at without any hesitation.
Yep.
Um,
No,
and
that's
one of the things I hear back from my clients a lot is, they're putting in their appointments. They're putting in their, the ones that are past, and, the ones that are future as well. And that, I think, engages them more and allows them to really feel like they're doing their part in making sure that everything is going to go well and is documented well to present should we, end up in a courtroom situation. All of everything is being documented along the way, including happy face, sad face, because that's one of
right.
the things they do. Like, how are you feeling? And then you get the faces and things. All of that's being documented on the day that it happened, and not them trying to remember how they felt 6 months ago when we file suit. So
Yeah.
I genuinely had no idea what it was before, as far as this net promoter thing to start in any of this. I just wanted my clients to have a better option for communication other than my telephone, so that I could spend more time working on their case. And
Yep.
so it's like, if I'm working on your case, I have less time to be on the telephone. So that was the baseline for what I was looking for to start with.
Yeah.
Um, all of these other things I've become so much more knowledgeable about, and Mark is he's the businessman and the attorney, obviously, but I've become so much more informed about how literally everything we do has that, you know, pebble in the water kind of thing. You see the flow of how things happen and how they're
Yeah.
happening more effectively, for the clients, because of this, and for our office because we're able to produce more as a result of this. So
Yeah. No, that's awesome. Well,
yeah, and
so
then if there's something wonky that we don't know about and don't know, you can't fix it if you don't know it's broken, and so
yep.
that's another nice thing that we have about this because if we find that something is a little wonky or out of a little to the left of where we want it in center, then we can get the feedback we need so that we can stay in
That's
center.